we took up degree apprenticeships at Safran Seats in 2021. What it brings to us is the opportunity for somebody to gain a qualification whilst also working within the industry. But at the same time, they are immersing themselves into the business, which then gives us future talent. Safran Seats is part of the Safran Group. We are one of the largest worldwide aviation businesses. We work with the airframers, Boeing and Airbus. We also work directly with the airlines. At Safran Seats, we make all aircraft seats. In Cambran, we specialise in first class and business class aircraft seats. The advice I would give to a student applying for a degree apprenticeship is an apprenticeship is just a different way to learn. It's just a different way to get the same outcome as going to university. The only difference with an apprenticeship is you actually get paid to study. We offer apprenticeships in lots and lots of different areas, in manufacturing, engineering, electrical and mechanical. You don't actually specialise until year 4 and 5. So you've got the first 3 years to think about where you want your career to go.